section. We have the history of the land from the first person who owned the land. Then kama shamba before ilikuwa Urofedhigio 4010. Then ikafanywa subdivision, ikatoka new numbers. They indicated in this title, this part. So itakuonyesha pia it has the dates. Unaonyeshana kama hiyo shamba ya mother title ilifanywa subdivision this dates, ikuonyesha hiyo date. Then zika produce new numbers. The new numbers zinakuwa indicated hapa sasa kwa this part, the proprietorship section. Now that is the part A and the part B of the title deed.
Okay.
Then I think my colleague can talk about part C. Yes. That is normally on the third page of the title deed,
which has the encumbrances section. This is, let's say for example, title deed imetumika kuchukua loan kwa bank, itaandikwa the entry number, the date and the nature of the encumbrance, that is kama imechukua loan or something else, and then lazima itakuwa na signature registrar.
yeah, of course.
Yes. Encumbrances ni something like loan, something ama title deed imetumika kuwekelewa mahali ama kama iko na caution.
Yes.
I also see the third page has the stamp and the signature of the land registrar.
And we have the
very last page.
Just on my page, it has, this is the new title deed. It has the serial number of the title deed. Hapo juu na hapa chini. Yes.
So
and actually in the new title deeds, the certificate of title.
Okay.
That is the new name, and they have the watermark of the adi sasa with them. This is the new title deed. The old title deed is the title deed, but it has no any watermark of the adi sasa. And with me I also have the search. This is the search in wakati mtu anaenda kufanya due diligence, na pia kwa namba ya shamba umeambiwa uende ufanye search confirm the ownership. Kama ownership ya actually wakati sasa unafanya search, you normally compare the search and the details zenye ziko kwa title deed. For in this case the search inakuanga the title number, unaangalia kama the title number yenye iko kwa nini the same na yenye iko kwa search the same na yenye iko kwa title deed. Then unaangalia the nature of the title, pia inakuonyesha hapa as per the title deed, inakuonyesha kwa search kani absolute. Then inakuonyesha area pia inatoshana hadi, then inakuonyesha the owners of the land, na pia kwa owners ni sasa kama patia the title deed kuna proprietorship section. Then kuna sasa part ya encumbrances, sasa inakuonyesha kama hiyo shamba imetumika kuchukua any loans, kama kuna cautions ya that is it's wakati unafanya due diligence, you normally compare the information that is on the search against the information that is
the title deed.
That's awesome.
And we hope you've learned something today from all the details that are entailed in a title deed. And we look forward to wishing you a happy Madaraka Day. We are the Azima family, and a happy weekend also. Remember, we offer a 24 months payment plan after you book a plot with 100,000, and we also take people for a site visit daily from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. provided you show up at our offices. We'll do that. We'll take you for a free site visits to our project.
And we normally have ready title deeds for all our projects. Also, siogope kununua shamba na sisi.
Yes.
And all our lands, all our title deeds are normally absolute, so still free, still leasehold. So you can own ownership of the land.
It means that Azima will guide you in your land ownership journey.
Yes.
Why don't you come today or call us on 0704 281 000 and book yourself a free site visit and start your land ownership journey with Azima Properties Limited.